Hello, Weekly Wedding Singer here. I'm going to teach you how to crack your back with the butterfly technique. And how you do it is you put your 2 feet together like this, like in the diamond shape. And you have your 2 hands behind your neck, also like a diamond shape, which forms a butterfly. And then you use one of your side as a base, and you try to stick your leg to the floor while you kick the other leg to the other side. Let me demonstrate how it's done. So, feet together like so, a diamond shape. Hands behind your neck, also a diamond, which shapes the butterfly. And then you try to stick this side to the floor, and then try your best to stick both arms on the floor. You might slightly move, lift up a little bit on your shoulder, but it's okay. So just keep on going. So both butterfly shape, and then kick your leg up, and then move it to the other side as high as possible. Same thing for the other side, butterfly shape, and then kick your leg up high as possible. And there you go. Again, consult your chiropractor, doctor, physical therapist. I'm just a wedding singer. Peace out.